Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform an SITL simulation using the PX4 and QGround and Gazebo. My Gazebo version is v8.2.0 and it's called Gazebo Harmonic. Before getting into the simulation, I want to show you some pre-built worlds and models, which is in the PX4 and is built for the Gazebo environment. Well, if we go through the PX4 autopilot tools simulation, we see a folder named GZ. This is for the Gazebo Harmonic. In this folder, there are two other folders, worlds and models. We can see there are plenty of pre-built worlds here for our Gazebo Harmonic. I'm going to use this forest world, and also in the models there are plenty of pre-built models. I'm going to use X500 mono cam down because it has a camera which is attached to the drone. Let's build the Gazebo with PX4. Well, note that how I'm going to give this command here after the make PX4 SITL. I write the name of the model. Here it is, and after that I use an underdash here, and I will write the name of the world, and let's hit enter. Okay, this is my drone here, and here in the image display I'm going to see what image the camera is capturing. I'm going to open the QGC. Well, the QGC just recognized the vehicle which is in the Gazebo environment. Let's give it a takeoff command. Let's just get a higher altitude since there are many trees around the drone. Let's get to a safe altitude. Okay, let's just orbit around some random points like here. There it is. Thank you for watching this video and goodbye.